In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order QuickBooks checks 2026. If you print checks from QuickBooks, ordering through Intuit's official store helps ensure the checks align correctly, use bank-approved magnetic ink formatting, and include the security features your business needs. I'll guide you from start to finish so your order is accurate the first time. First, open your browser and go to Intuit Market, Intuit's official marketplace for QuickBooks supplies. Using the official site matters because the products are designed specifically for QuickBooks layouts and most common printers, which saves you from alignment headaches later. Next, sign in to your Intuit account. This is the same account you use for QuickBooks and other Intuit services. Signing in lets the site save your past orders, addresses, and preferences, which makes future reorders fast. If you don't remember your password, use the standard account recovery option. Once you're in, browse the Intuit Market products and head to the QuickBooks Check section. You'll see options grouped by software, compatibility, and format. If you also need matching envelopes or deposit slips, you can find those in the same area, but today we're focusing on the checks themselves. Now choose the check style that works best for your workflow. The most common are voucher checks, with one check and a stub for your records, and 3 per page checks, which are efficient for high volumes. Make sure the style you select is labeled as compatible with your version of QuickBooks and your printer type, whether laser or inkjet. You can usually choose quantity, color, and security features. Higher security options help reduce fraud. Enter your business and bank details exactly as they should appear on the check. This typically includes your business name and address, your bank's name, and your routing and account numbers. Double-check the MyCR line information against a voided check from your bank to ensure every digit is correct. If you use custom check numbering, set the correct starting number so your check sequence continues properly. Provide your shipping and payment information. Confirm the delivery address. Pick a shipping speed that fits your timeline, and review any production time noted at checkout. Make sure your billing details are accurate to avoid delays, and look for estimated delivery dates before you proceed. Finally, review and submit your order. Carefully confirm spelling, numbers, the check style, quantity, and any logo placement if you added one. Submit the order and keep the confirmation for your records. When the checks arrive, test alignment by printing a sample onto plain paper from QuickBooks and store your check stock securely to protect your business.